Alright, so this video right here, we are going to be following exactly step by step as to whatever he says, and I'm going to be sharing with you guys the results and the process as to whatever I'm going to be doing in this video. Alright, so let's do this. Alright, so before I carry on this video, I'm just going to give you guys like a real quick summary as to whatever he says. So what we have to do basically for this video is that we will be using Google Documents, right? We'll be saving links from YouTube, and we're going to be saving the links from YouTube, and then we're going to bring it over to Google Document.
As an example, man, so again, you're copy pasting videos from YouTube, which are free tutorials or free courses on any topic.
And then the YouTube videos, right? Mainly what we're going to be using is the, the typical popular YouTube business models. So things such as like, the typical SMMA courses, Etsy dropshipping as well, and then maybe things such as like maybe TikTok creativity program, things of that nature. So all of these, popular make money online methods, right? There are a lot of courses out there, right? There are plenty of courses out there. So we're just going to be using the free ones at YouTube, copy the link, paste it at Google Document, and then after we, accumulate all of the links from YouTube, we're going to save the Google Document, and we're going to go to a website called File Upload.
Download this as a PDF file and simply go over to this free app/website that paid out $784,000, and the app in question is file.upload.
And then File Upload will generate a link for us. And then the link, right? Whoever downloads the link, whoever clicks on the link and download the Google document that we've created, will be paid. We will be paid $7 if you're from USA, Canada, and UK. If I'm not wrong. Yeah, I'll put up a screenshot somewhere over here to show you guys how much we can actually earn. Yeah, so it really depends on the country that the downloader is from. So most likely what we're going to be doing is we're going to be using Quora to search for, typical questions such as like, what is the best online business model in 2024, right? And in those questions, we're going to be pasting our links over there. And then hopefully people out there will be downloading our links, and that's how we're going to get paid. Alright, so that is basically how it works, and I'm going to show you guys how I do it. Alright, so follow along and I will show you the money, hopefully. Alright, so this is my Google Documents, and as you guys can see, I've already accumulated the courses at YouTube. By the way, right, this is exactly what the video says. I'm just doing exactly what it says, and I'm going to go ahead and save this document, and I'm just going to go ahead and send it over to File Upload. Alright, so here we are, we're at File Upload. I've already saved my Google document. So as you guys can see over here, right, you guys can see at this particular section, pay per download, PPD program. So Group A, Group B, Group C, as what I've mentioned earlier on. So Group A is US, UK, Canada, while Group B is Kingdom of Saudi Arabia and the UAE, while Group C is all other countries. So unfortunately, not all of the groups are being paid equally. So like I said, hopefully, ideally, we get downloads from Group A, so we'll be able to earn $7. And then what we have to do next is that we just have to, start uploading files now. But before that, I want to show you guys something which is over here, proof of payments, just to have, more credibility. So total paid amount is right here, right? Almost 800k, almost. So as you guys can see as well, right, there are a lot of members as well. So competition is there for sure. You guys can see over here as well, the total amount of pages is like, what is this? 70k, right? So many, but it's not necessarily a bad thing. As you can see over here, right, the latest one is 18 June, and at this date right now, today is 22nd of June, so it's pretty recent as well. And this person is being paid $36, $60, $90 even, right? The list goes on and on. $45, man. $45 is quite a lot. It's a lot of money, man, right? So it's pretty legit. Hopefully these amounts is not being faked. Yeah, just gonna go ahead and sign up for an account, and I'm gonna start to make money right here. Alright, so before that, right, I found this section. So File Upload pays up to $7 per 1,000 downloads. So that's what I mentioned, right? It depends on the download location as well. So they've already mentioned over here as well. So keep in mind, right? Hopefully we get here $7. Oh my goodness. So it's for the premium account. For the free accounts, it's only $6. $2 and $2 for group A, group B, and group C. But nevertheless, alright, I'm just gonna give it a shot and hopefully it really works. Yo, alright, so this is the account. I've successfully logged in to my account over here, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and click this button right here to upload the Google Documents. Alright, so I've uploaded the PDF document, and I'm just gonna add a quick description over here. So this is the ultimate business models in 2024. That's it, short and sweet, right? So I'm just gonna go ahead and show advanced. What's this? Recipient's email link password. No, I want it to be public. Yeah, we are supposed to put it as public as well. So literally the public can access to it and download this link. Alright, so I'm just gonna go ahead and click start upload right here. Nice. Alright, I'm done. So apparently this is a link. So whoever clicks on this link and downloads the PDF, right, our PDF document, will be paid, right? Will be paid $7, hopefully, not $6. Sorry, actually we'll be paid $6. Yeah, because we're using the free account. We're not exactly using the premium account. Yeah. So, I mean, if this works, I might purchase the premium account. How am I even supposed to do that? Not too sure, but if it works, probably I might. I don't know. We'll see about it. Yeah, but for now, if we're able to earn $6, it's a good sign already, right? I'll take it. I'll take it. We'll take it, right? That's good enough, right? Being able to earn money online. So I'm just gonna use this link, right? I'm just gonna go ahead and copy this link over here. I'm gonna actually try to access it first. Okay, so this is my link, and this is the correct PDF, right? As you guys saw earlier on. So this is accurate, but I'm waiting for 1 second over here. Can I download it? Create download link. No, that's not what I want. I am a human. Wow. Of course. Classic. As per usual, some kind of a weird virusy website activity. I don't know what's going on. I'm just gonna go back over here. I'm gonna try once more. I'm human. I'm human. Or should I click on this create download link? Let's give it a shot. Okay, so apparently we are back here again. Wrong capture. I didn't even get any capture in the first place. What? Alright, I'm just gonna go ahead and try this again. I'm human. Capture, okay. This. I'm human. Alright, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Or maybe I can't access my link. Maybe they know that, I'm logged in into my account. That's why I don't really have access to it. Maybe. Alright, so moving on. I'm just gonna use this link right here. I'm just gonna go to Quora and promote it. That's it. And as you guys know, right, I actually did attempt some make money online method in the past, but I don't think it's similar to this. It's not about the Google Documents, but it was something similar, but I'm not too sure which one is it, right? And I remember I was like promoting some link on Quora as well, and unfortunately my account has been banned by Quora moderation. Your account has been banned because it has been linked to multiple violations of Quora's spam policies. To learn more about spam policies, please click here. I mean, to be honest, right, I think they're not wrong, man. They're not wrong. I mean, I can't even be mad. I mean, I'm just following the video's instructions. So everyone, please be safe out there. Please do not promote spam links, right? If not, it'll be banned. I didn't know. I wasn't expecting this. Alright, I'm not gonna give up. Alright, I'm just gonna go ahead and create a new account. Okay, I created a new email just for this example. Alright, I do this for you guys. Boom. Alright, so this is my new account. So I'm just gonna go over to search Quora right here and ask, what is the best online business model? There's many of them. There's a lot of them. A lot of results over here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and choose one of it, which is probably this first one. What is the best online business, and what online business can I do to make money, right? And hey, I got the answers. I have the answers. I have the PDF document even, right? Alright, so I'm just gonna open up both of them and I'm just gonna send the link to both of them. Alright, it seems like there's a lot of answers already, right? So I mean, I'm just gonna try my best. Hopefully my answer stands out over here. Alright, so in the video, right, he actually told us to create 2 accounts, right? So instead of just answering questions over here, right, he actually told us to create a new question and then use the new account to answer your own question. Yeah, so to basically just promote and push your own file upload link. So that way, you know, I believe the intention behind that is that we'll be able to promote our link and a question to more people and new people. Yeah, and because the answer will be the first one, right? Because we will be the first one answering, so our links will be placed on top. Yeah.
Create 2 different accounts on Quora. One account is going to be serving for you to ask a question, because you want to ask a question like, what is the best online business, for example, to start in 2024? That's going to be the question that you're going to be asking. You ask that question, and then you go into your other account, the second account, and then you open up that question, and then you reply right away. So you answer to the question right away from a second account. So that way, your answer is going to stay at the top, and everyone that comes after you will be able to see your reply with the link to all of those free resources. So you're not even selling anything.
So that's the idea. But I only have one account left. I only have one account left, right? If I have 2 accounts, if the previous account wasn't banned, yeah, I might have been able to pull this off. I might be able to do what he told us to do. But you know what? Yeah, I don't think I can do that because I don't have any other emails left. I don't have any other accounts left. So all I can do for now, for this method, is that I'm just going to promote it over here. Alright, so I'm just going to try. I have to try. Alright, so right over here, I've pasted the link right there. So I'm just going to go ahead and give it like a quick description, right? If not, it looks too plain. If not, it looks really spammy, right? Don't want to get banned again. I do not want to violate any spam policies once again. No thanks, Quora moderation. So this is the ultimate, right? This is the ultimate online business models that can earn us $10,000 online, because apparently this is the golden number that everyone is looking out for per month. Trust. Yeah. Okay. So that's what I'm going to be doing. I'm gonna hit post right here. Boom. Alright, so this is the answer. I've answered it. So it is one of 553 answers. I don't know, man. Wish me luck. That's all I have to say. I'm gonna do this for the other one as well. Alright, right over here. So this is the other question. So what I'm gonna say is, look no further, my friend. This is the most popular business models online that can earn us $10,000 per month. Trust. Okay, that's it. Alright, so I'm just going to go ahead and click post right here. Alright, so I'm done posting it. And okay, for this one, it's a little bit lower. So we are one of 438 answers. That is a little bit lower compared to the other one. But nevertheless, fingers are crossed. Fingers are being crossed right now as we speak. And hopefully we get answers. Okay, we don't really need answers, right? Hopefully we just get like link clicks. Alright, so hopefully there are updates as to whether or not there are any downloads or clicks to our link right here. Hopefully there are, because if there are any downloads, we will be earning money, hopefully. And then I'll let you guys know for sure if this method actually works or not. The other promotional ways that we can do is that we can actually spend some money onto 2 other platforms that he was mentioning.
Besides that, another great platform where you can promote your link is through Udemy. Unfortunately, this one is not free, but essentially you would basically just sign up and you can buy solo ads from these people who would sell promotions to their email addresses. So for example, this one is selling 59 cents per email. So when someone opens up an email and clicks on that, it will cost 59 cents, which may not seem like a lot, which may seem like a lot, but it can actually help you boost quite a lot. And besides that, there's also shoutcard.com, where you can find a bunch of influencers and basically pay them $5 to $10 to promote your links to millions of people at once, just on Instagram or TikTok.
Right? But we're not going to be spending money just yet, right? We are doing this for free, okay? We do not want to spend money. We do not want to spend any money yet, right? If there are like a few downloads or whatsoever, then maybe there's a sign, that we can actually, put in more investment, right? Put in more cash investment into this make money online method, right? But as of now, there are no signs yet, right? If there are signs, there are big signs, there are good signs, then maybe we can think about it. But as of now, at the start, maybe not. Maybe that's not the best way to go about it just yet, right? So just depend on the organic, right? The organic marketing efforts of us, which is to answer the questions at Quora for now. So if you guys actually want more results, if you guys actually want to see the truths behind the make money online methods, whether do they work or not, whether are they fake or real, legit or not legit, you guys can join my free community. Alright, free community. I'll say it once more. Free community. Alright, you guys are not gonna be paying anything. You guys don't have to pay anything because it's free. In case you guys forgot the definition of free, you guys are not paying anything. Okay, so join the free community. All of the make money online methods, the truths behind it all is going to be inside. Okay, so you guys are curious about any of the make money online methods that I've did in the past, I have like laid out over there inside of the community. Just join the community and then all of the reports will be inside there waiting for you guys to check it out, right? Information will be there, and then if you guys want to go ahead and try those methods out, be my guest, so be it, because everybody's results will be different. Okay, so if my result is not something I do, right, it's not going to be a representation for everyone's experience as well. So just don't take my experience as a whole representative. Okay, so I always encourage you guys to try it out for yourselves because everyone's results will be unique and different. So join quick. It's free right now, but how long is it going to be free? I don't know. Maybe I'm going to put a price tag on it soon. I don't know. Am I going to be putting a price tag on it as well? I don't know. Or maybe I'm going to put it next week. I have no idea as well. But whatever it is, you guys need to join right now. Secure your spot, secure your seat in the community, because as of now, if you guys join now, right, you guys are paying nothing. You'll be paying for life, right? You'll be paying nothing for life. And if I were to add, for example, $50 in a month, right? $50 per month, you guys who join during the period where it's free, you guys will be paying nothing. You guys will be paying free forever. Unless you guys quit the community, and then if you guys were to join again, you guys will have to pay the amount which is in my community. Okay, so right now, quickly secure a spot because it's going to be free for a limited period only. So see you guys inside.